Between 1695 and 1829, Ireland had laws called the Penal Laws that made it illegal for Irish Catholics to vote, own land, get an education, or even own a horse worth more than $5, and the horse law existed so Catholics couldn't join cavalry and fight back. The penal laws were systematic legal framework designed to ensure Irish Catholics could never accumulate wealth or power to challenge British Protestant rule, and they worked by 1778. Catholics owned only 5% of Irish land, despite being 80% of the population. Passed after Catholic Ireland supported the losing side in the 1690s Williamite Wars, the new Protestant government made it illegal to be a successful Catholic. You couldn't buy land, inherit land from Protestants, lease land for more than 31 years, or keep your land if you refused to convert. And if your oldest son converted to Protestantism, he could legally take all your land from you immediately, even while you were still alive. Families were incentivized to betray each other for property. You couldn't be a lawyer, judge, hold government positions, vote, carry weapons, or own a horse worth more than $5. The horse law was darkly specific. If you owned a nice horse and a Protestant wanted it, they could pay you $5 and legally take it. Education was illegal. You couldn't send children to Catholic schools or hire Catholic teachers, and if caught teaching, you could be branded on the face with hot iron. Thousands were educated in illegal hedge schools, where teachers taught in secret outdoor locations, moving constantly to avoid arrest. You couldn't speak Irish in court, which meant Irish speakers had no legal rights because courts only operated in English. The laws regulated everything: no Catholic churches with steeples or bells. Priests had to register and could be executed without papers. Catholics couldn't marry Protestants. Because Catholics couldn't buy or keep land, and land was the primary wealth source, Catholic Ireland became economically devastated within one generation. By mid-1700s, the small Catholic middle class was destroyed. Ireland became Protestant landlords and Catholic tenant farmers with no property rights. Laws started being repealed from 1778, but full Catholic emancipation didn't happen until 1829. 134 years of systematic legal discrimination that destroyed Irish Catholic wealth and created conditions for the famine and mass emigration. The legacy is why Irish Catholics were so poor in the 1800s and why there's still a wealth gap between Protestant and Catholic communities today. 134 years of being legally prevented from accumulating property doesn't disappear when laws change. If you just learned Ireland had laws making it illegal for Catholics to own good horses, get education, speak Irish in court, or inherit land unless they converted. And these laws lasted 134 years and are why Irish Catholics were economically devastated by the famine, follow for systematic injustices that shaped modern Ireland.